Hello everyone, this is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand for a crowd? For the secret paper balls, we have two options for reference. This is the first one. We will glue the balls together for you, and this is the style of the balls you will receive. You can use it directly when you receive the balls, which will greatly save your time. But the shipping cost of these balls will be more expensive. For the second one, it will be cheaper, and its shipping cost will be much less. You need to fold the balls yourself. If you are interested in the secret balls, please visit our website or contact us directly. We're right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.